Hello everyone. This is your host Navya here. I'm from Chennai, and let's start the English meet for Cozy Tales. So, Namaste. Cozy Tales is a group for aspiring established poets, writers, and bloggers and storytellers. It is believed that writing is the best form of stress buster and therapy. The languages here we write in are Hindi, English, and Gujarati. Keep writing and keep sharing. Let's spread positivity to words. Regular segments conducted, online meets, unique audio events, beautifully compiled ebooks with your own handwritings and artwork. And we also get certificates. Certificates are given on a daily basis to participants. All this is on a regular basis for free. Thank you so much for joining on time. Our first performer for today would be Kanupriya Chauhan.
Hello, everybody.
Is Kanupriya ma'am here?
Yeah, I'm here.
I'll just read out your introduction and then you can start.
Okay.
Yeah, just a minute. So, Kanapriya Chauhan ma'am is a teacher by profession. She's taught for 34 years in Udayachal High School. Reaching out is her passion. The path she has chosen is spiritualism, which gives her the strength to improve her writing skill. Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring bio. We would love to hear your pieces. Round one starts now.
Thank you very much. And hello to everybody. Uh, Title of my poem is Seeds of Love. Love in a larger perspective. Oh, my Almighty Lord, give me the strength to fulfill my last wish. There is miles to go before I leave. We'll be spreading smiles to many, to known and unknown friends, living and non-living species, reaching out to those who cry for piece of bread, satisfying them at dusk when they go to bed. Before I go to sleep forever, I will spread the seeds of love beneath my deathbed. After a period of time, they will flourish into huge trees. Blessings will be showered on those buried streams who are not free from worldly grievances. Passing wind will hold them in their arms gently and will travel to long distance countries. Wherever my seeds drop, I will grow there and spread my branches. My ash will merge into soil after my burial, which will provide for starving species. Eventually, I'll be flowing their bloodstreams, and with their rebirth, I will be back with love and pure soul, which will create a wonderful world for mankind. Thank you very much.
That's a very beautiful poem, ma'am. Thank you so much. We loved your poem. You're an amazing writer and a teacher, I guess. So we would love to see you in our future open nights as well. Please stay connected.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So our next participant for round one would be Dia Singh, ma'am. Is Dia ma'am here?
Uh, yes, I'm here.
Hi. Yeah. I'll read your introduction and then we can start your piece.
Okay.
Just a minute. Oh, I don't know if you're sent your bio anymore. I'm not able to find it in the group.
No problem. मैं अपनी बायो खुद ही दे देती हूँ.
Yeah, sure.
So, my name is Diya Singh, and I'm doing BSc Psychology from DAV College, Chandigarh. And my poem is titled "Love." It is about all the stages of love that I have experienced in my life so far. So my poem is Love. What is love? Is it the quick pants or the fast pounding of my heart when everything is so red and delusional? Is it the joy brimming in my every cell? Is it the warmth enveloping round my detached cold heart? When I reached home, one giant hug was all, to reveal all my scars, to travel down my soul. But now everything is changed, where selfishness and privacy seep through every corner, bleaching every memory born of both joy and affection, draining the warmth.
This is a very beautiful poem. Thank you so much, Dia ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We would love to see you on our future open mics as well. Please stay connected and please keep writing. You're an amazing writer. Thank you so much for your time. We'll move on to the next participant, my favorite Vipin ma'am. Hi, Vipin ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. So, can we start?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So, here is Vipin ma'am. She is an environmental sustainability professional. She's been writing for more than 20 years. That's a long time now. Her books on environmental education for rural people, पंचायती राज एवं प्रत्यावरण प्रशोक्ति are published under the Ministry of Environment and Forest under the NVIS project in Panchayati Raj. She comes from Mumbai. She writes poems, quotes, and short stories. She is a co-author of more than 220 anthologies, and she's compiled around 50 anthologies. She is the author of the solo book, poetry book, Unprecedented Voice, Him, You and Me, and Kyalo Ki Bikre Asha, Intezar. And she's the founder of Poetic Essence Publications, which is a writing community. She writes about love, life, social issues, mental wellness, and observations and experiences from daily life. She's a certified pranic healer and arhatic yoga practitioner. Thank you, mom. An amazing bio.
Thank you so much, Navya. Thank you, Anupama ji. And thank you, everyone. As we are celebrating love today, so title of the poetry is Beauty of the Night. This beautiful night is unfolding its velvet gown, making me feel calm and deep. Tender stillness is making dreams and whispers to sleep. Stars are shining like diamonds, scattered across the skies, imitating the sparkle in soulful eyes. The divine moon is lightning like a lantern, casting its argent glow. Lightens your face, a portrait I will always know. The serene breeze carries secrets, feels soft, and tastes sweet. It feels like the rhythm of our hearts. Here is where love and night meet. Your laughter unites with the cricket's song, a memorable melody to the world it does not belong. Under the condensed canopy, the time stands freeze. Each moment spent with you is a timeless breeze. Our shadows are dancing a playful serenade. Our love blooms under the starlit fall. My hand in your feet, like taking eternity's vow. Beneath the heavens, we only know love is how. The scent of jasmine lingers in the mild air, the fragrant pledge that our hearts declare every sheen of yours brushes the night as new, creating a masterpiece of love in every hue. Thank you so much.
This is an amazing love
Wow.
poetry, ma'am. I love your love
Wow.
poems. Thank you so much for joining on time. We would again love to see your open mic
Sure.
performances more and more. Thank you for
Sure.
joining.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no problem. Next participant for today is Miss Shweta. I'll just read out her bio. Just a minute. Yeah. Shweta is a Southie born, Northie make product with contemporary thinking and values. A business communication coach for 8 years, who is a part of anthologies by Ink Freedom Publications and now is associated with daily writing challenges, anthologies, e magazines by Poetic Essence Publications. She has been a co author in penning down a Wikipedia profile of an upcoming celebrity named Ravi Vyom Shankar Jha in the field of aqua sports, along with other authors from Delhi. She likes reading, writing, mentoring, coaching, and singing. An inspiring bio, mom. Thank you so much for joining on time. You can start, mom.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. I was unaware of the theme for today. I guess the theme
the
we
theme
have the
is love.
theme love. Oh, so
Yeah.
we can have poems only will it related to that or
Uh, for the first round, related to that. For the second round, it's an open round.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then I'll go for the second round. Sorry.
Uh, you can probably. I'll give you some time in case you can write a piece
Sure,
right
sure,
now.
sure, 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 sure.
I'll give you
Sorry,
five
sorry for
minutes
that.
time. Yeah, that's totally fine. So I'll give you 5 minutes time. Can you whip up a piece in five
Sure,
minutes,
sure,
five ten
sure,
minutes? Yeah.
sure, sure.
Your time starts now.
Thanks.
Uh, yeah. I'll go to the next participant and then I'll come back to you. Is that okay, mom? Yeah. Our next participant is Anagha Khadwad.
Hello everyone.
Hi, Anaga. So, can you? I think your introduction is sort of missing. Yeah, got it. Anaga is a student from Mumbai, currently pursuing BTech from KG's Somaya College of Engineering. She's learned the Indian classical dance from form Bharatanatyam for 6 years, and her hobbies include traveling and reading novels in her leisure time. During her high school days, her poem was published in a UK website, Never Such Innocence. She's also recited her poems in a couple offline poetry events. This will be her first online poetry meet experience, and we are thrilled to have you here, Anaga. Good luck.
Thank you so much. So, since the theme is love, I have written a poem about pets called A Furry Friend. So, I'll start. A furry friend, a loyal heart, a wagging tail, a gentle touch, a purring sound, a bond unbreakable, profound. Through sunlit days and moonlit nights, their love's a beacon shining bright. A playful leap, a happy bark, a comforting presence close at arc. Their eyes so deep, a soulful gaze, reflecting love in countless ways. A comforting warmth, a soft embrace, a cherished friend in time and space. Through happy tears and quiet sigh, their love's a constant, never lies. A loyal companion, true and kind. A love of pets, forever enshrined. Thank you.
Very
That's
nice.
an amazing love poetry on a furry friend. Love cannot be only with people; it can be with pets as well. Uh, thank you so much for pointing it out because all of us have find love in a lot of people, a lot of things. I found love in writing, so my love is writing. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Anaga. Your poetry was amazing. Please keep coming for our future events as well. And good luck for your offline events as well. Yeah. I go
Thank
to
you.
offline open mics as well. Yeah.
That's great.
Thank you so much for joining. Yeah.
Thank you.
So Shweta ma'am, are you free now to recite your piece? Have you finished your piece?
I'm unable to. Yes, I'm able to unmute myself. I was unable to unmute myself. All right. Am I audible
Not a
now?
problem. Yeah, you're audible now.
Hello.
So
Am I
yeah,
audible now?
you're audible. You're audible.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Am I
Shweta
audible?
ma'am, you're
Okay,
audible.
fine.
You're audible. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thanks. All right. I'll probably tell a story, share a story. Is that fine?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks.
Sure, it is. Yeah.
Samyukta and Sameer loved each other. Though they had fights, they had deep love for each other in their eyes and anger too. Samyukta had the choice of freedom to go anywhere and do anything with her life, no restrictions. Sameer too had his own space and used to go out with friends and party out. But as days passed, Samyukta did not experience any love in Sameer for herself. Samyukta was disturbed. Sameer had work pressure that time and felt totally lost in himself. Samyukta was unaware of this. In a haste, she met someone else who expressed his love to her, and she fell for him as she was vulnerable that time. She later realized that she too was married. She later realized that the relationship was at its peak, that they could not be in the relationship with each other and neither come out of it. Sameer needed some emotional support, which Samyukta did not give, and he started finding it in another female. One fine day, they both realized that once the love, the love they had loved, which was there among themselves, was no more there. They were happy in someone else's company. This is how the love can be terrifying and as well as liberating. Thank you.
That was an amazing piece, ma'am. Thank you so much. We would love to hear more of your pieces as well. Thank you for your time. So, next participant is actually me. So, Vipin, ma'am, you can give me
Yeah.
advice.
So I take the pleasure and privilege to invite Navya. A brief introduction about Navya. She is extrovert by heart, but an introvert by circumstances. She is a beautiful writer as well as she is wonderful at expressing her feelings. She is founder of more than 5 writing communities and she has got her 3 solo books published. The titles are Poems from the Countryside, Navu's Paradise of Poems, and Shady Truths of the Society. You can find her on Instagram with her handle Poetries of Navu. So, Navya, most welcome. Stage is
Thank you.
yours. We are awaiting to hear out something
Thank you
beautiful.
so much, ma'am. So, since the theme is about love, this is a love poetry. It's called Under the Sunset. Under the sunset, our two souls became one. We were synced like we were two souls in one. When one got hurt, the other one would feel bad. When one wanted to be close, the other wanted to be distant. When one wanted to be kind, the other wanted to be rude. It was as if we were born to be like this. Under the sunset, we loved being tangled in each other's arms. We wanted to be like this forever until time destroyed everything we once had. We wanted to be like chalk and cheese that were stuck together forever. So this was a small love poetry written by me.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. I'm trying longer pieces, but sometimes the mood doesn't come. So
It was short, it was sweet, it was beautiful and connecting to the hearts, actually. It was wonderful.
thank you, mom. So round one ends here. Let's go to round two. Uh, the same order. So Kanupriya ma'am was the first one to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your another poem, which is an open theme.
Okay. The title of my poem is Ignite the Path. Everything is so uncertain and shocking, thinking that it is going to be a brighter day. You are not going to carry umbrella. Suddenly it starts pouring heavily. Not for a second or so, but for an hour. You get wet and come home halfway, leaving all important assignments because you believed on a weather chart. Life gives you bigger shocks than this. You plan something and ready to perform. Suddenly something comes in the way. Plans get scattered and spoils the day. That doesn't mean that you are going to give up. You might take it as challenge and move. That's how it should be. Give a try. But it doesn't happen with everyone. There your role comes in as a rescuer. Hold their hand and walk along for a mile. Build trust and break the walls of fear. As time passes, they might walk alone, gaining confidence and unfolding upcoming. Uncertainty doesn't mean negative action. It has a positive side which is brighter. Look for it. You will find a way never seen before. Bundle of joy will be waiting for you, certainly. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That poem was amazing as well. We would again love to see you in our open mics as well. So thank
Sure.
you for spending your valuable time with us on a weekday after your school time. This is really sweet of you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
no problem. Can we go to the next participant, which was, I guess, Dia Singh, ma'am?
Yes. Next
Yeah,
is my turn. My
yeah.
turn. My poem is on health awareness. It's on
Okay.
suicide. It's so dark, like a dark alley, on a foggy night, with all the lights broken and shattered, which once were beaming with light. My one and only hope, now more distant than ever, fading little by little. The thread of my life getting crispier and edgier. My mind running at the speed of light, working on all the different chaotic factions of my life, wondering if everything would be better had my choices been right. My heart drowning with the stuttering of its own, lying somewhere far, with its echo in my ears, making me believe that I am still here. I waited for the tight nose, the sharpened edge of a knife, the confiscation of water in my mind, the sweetness of poison to wash away all the sourness of my life. Adamant on breaking all my ties, because at one point you are all alone, with no one at your side. Hours pass by, flying like the burning wisp of twilight. Thank you.
Very
This was
nice.
an amazing one on suicide. Thank you so much for writing on a vulnerable topic. Not many write on suicide. So thank you for putting out your views on suicide, and this was amazing. Hats off.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks a lot. We'll go to Weapon Mom again. Your open genre theme now.
Yeah. Thank you, Navya, one more time.
No problem.
This is about the departure. We are celebrating love at length, but sometimes, somewhere in somebody's life, people they come and they go. So it's from her heart and for him, he has left. The title of the poetry is A Gush of Air. You came and left like a whispering breeze. It made me a quick movement and a tender tease. You did not allow time to linger around, no time to stay. Still, your essence remains, though you are away. Your arrival span was very short, but it held with such a grace, a loud, momentary glance and serene embrace. You colored each moment in shades visible so rare, carved a treasure in the fresh air. The joy you brought was brief and light. You shine like a star in the quiet night. You started a chapter and you only closed it in a quickie rhyme. You were so perfect in your own time. Thank you, dear soul, for passing by, for leaving a spark under the sky. Though you are a memory now, but an ephemeral dream, you lit my heart with a radiant glint. I have no regrets for the brevity we shared. I pay my gratitude for the love that you flared. For the moments, no matter how small, left us lifting off. I am still standing tall. Thank you so much.
This is amazing, mom. Thank you so much for presenting two beautiful pieces. I'm a fan of you. I would love, love, love to see you every single time whenever I host. Thank you so much, mom. Yeah.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
So our next participant is Shweta, mom. Now it's open genre, so you're free to recite whatever piece you want.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Well, title of my poem being Happy Place, My Happy Place.
Okay.
My happy place are moments of mine. Moments of mine seems to be super fine when the clock strikes 9. Moments of mine shines for me when I enter into the world of writing right. Moments of mine is all in line after I dine. Moments of mine shines when I twine with people on meet for singing. I wish to underline the moments of mine when I intertwined with divine and when I felt an immense peace when life turned me into pieces. Those special moments of mine when those moments were redefined. My happy place, my moments of mine. Thank you.
This is a beautiful piece on your happy place. I love how you connected the small, small moments in your life as happy place. That's an amazing, vivid imagery that like I couldn't have thought of. So keep writing, mom, and we would actually love to see you in our future open mics as well. So thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for joining. Yeah. So welcome back, Anaga. So can we hear your next piece?
Yeah. So my next poem is about a woman. Like coincidentally, this poetry meet is being led by all of us. So this is a poem which beautifully describes our part in life. So it goes like, in the vibrant colors of life, she paints her way, an epitome of strength, a soft embrace, a woman, a muse, with strength adorned, like on miles of barren land, a flower reborn. Her soul ever so caring and free, sailing the ship with determinance and glee. With a touch, she mends the fabric of time, a healer, a poet in a world so sublime, breaking the shackles, moving towards freedom in grace, creating her own queendom with the gentlest touch of embrace. So here's to the women, a pearl in the oyster, illuminating joy in the depths of ocean, a treasure, a gem, a ballad of beautiful melodies entwined. Thank you.
Wow,
Beautifully
this
said.
is a beautiful write up, and you don't
Beautiful
seem
poem.
like a first time performer in online open mics as well. I'm sorry to say that, but you are mind
Thank
blowing.
you so much. Thank you so
I've
much.
not seen your offline performances because I stay in Chennai, so yeah. So I feel you're an amazing open mic performer. So just keep performing and never let the spark in you die. Okay?
Yeah, sure. I'd love to
Listen
join
to,
all meets.
listen to me
It was,
and keep performing. Okay?
yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
so
it was amazing hearing you all recite poems too.
much. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
So I think the next writer is me. uh, my bio is already read by Vipin Mom, and the same bio is going to be said by me. But like, let's not again go to my bio. So my next piece is obsessed with writing. Uh, it's on me. You would have guessed that before I tell. Before I recite my piece, this piece is on me. She entered as a novice into the writing field. And now she's an obsessed writer who loves poetry and reads poetry. Poetry has changed the way she looks at life now. Before poetry came into her life looked dull and boring. But now her life looked exciting, and with each passing day, she kept writing a new poem. Her obsession with poetry knew no bounds. Poetry was her lifeline, a comforting hand that came in the right time. She never knew she would become obsessed with writing so much that now she can't imagine a day without writing. A day without writing for her feels like a day without having food. Obsession with writing gave her many creative ideas, and she met many creative people in the writing world, forged new connections, etc., and also suffered from controversies as she was controversy's favorite child, maybe. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you. And we end this amazing poetry meet. And thank you for having me as the host. I don't know how much you guys enjoyed, but I liked hosting you all. Thank you so much. Any last feedback for the host?
Host is wonderful as usual. For the
Thank you.
people who are meeting you first time as a host, would be a pleasure. We have been meeting many times, so it's
Thank
pleasure
you.
all the time to having you as a host. So thank you
Thank
for
you.
being the host and hosting the event for today. Thank you so
Thanks a
much.
lot. Thank you. Anyone else who wants to say
Good
anything?
job, Navya.
Thank you.
Good job, Navya.
Thank you, mom.
You are
Navya,
our
continue
wonderful dost,
writing.
poet dost.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
really enjoyed being here today. I look forward to joining more meets and
Thanks a
beautiful
lot. Please keep
team.
coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Navya,
Thank you so
keep
much.
writing.
Sure, mom. Thank you.
You have penned all the poems very well,
Thank you, mom.
and I wish you will be a very good writer too.
Sure, mom. Thank you so much. This means
Thank
a
you.
lot coming from a very senior writer like you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you, Anupama ma'am and Posy Tales for giving me this opportunity. And I really loved hosting you all. Thank you.
Thank you.